presentation about the new business proposal that can be applied at BNI KCLN Tokyo. This proposal is in the form of an offshore loan scheme from the shipping company in Indonesia that purchased the used ship from Japan. This can be a potential business that is able to provide the high loan interest for BNI Tokyo. On the other hand, that also have the potential to help the raise fund for domestic brands in Indonesia.
During this time, there is a trade transaction in the form of purchasing used ship by shipping companies from Indonesia with shipping companies in Japan. Used Japanese-made vessels that are around 10 years old were purchased by a shipping company from Indonesia. Then an improvement was made, administration of administrative documents such as changing the Indonesian flag and being reclassified. Then the ship is reused as its own shipping flag or resold to other shipping companies in Indonesia. So far, transactions have been carried out in cash through the telegraphic transfer payment mechanism in yen to shipping companies in Japan. At present, the potential demand for ships in Indonesia is increasing along with the plan to move the capital from Jakarta to Kalimantan. The construction of a new capital requires a lot of material imported from outside Kalimantan. This requires transportation of ships such as cargo ships or barges for their transportation. In addition, the research of the mining industry in Indonesia also has an impact on increasing the potential of the shipping business for transportation of inter-island mining products. During this time, shipping companies who bought ships from Japan use a method of payment via cash transfer using the rupiah currency and exchange into yen for ship sellers. From the system, there is the potential for financing in the form of a low-interest bailout fund from BNI KCLN Tokyo for payment of vessel purchase to ship sales companies in Japan. Funds in the form of rupiah from ship buyers in Indonesia that are supposed to be used to pay for ships can be used for placement into deposit funds in Indonesia, so that it can help increase fundraising transactions in the domestic brands. The loan scheme can provide benefits for BNI domestic branches and BNI KCLN Tokyo. For domestic branches, it can increase the resource of funds in the form of EDR deposits, which can be channeled back to domestic loans. Whereas for BNI KCLN Tokyo, cheap source of funds originating from non-conventional funding and placement of funds from GRB can be used for lending with higher LPM interest rates compared to the average offshore loan that has been provided to debtors at BNI KCLN Tokyo.
About new business lending model of offshore loan in BNI KCLN Tokyo. Hopefully, it can be applied and can be useful in this overseas branch. And then, this day is my last job training, and I will back to Indonesia presentation about our result in Japan. Arigato.